Well, St. Elizabeth's Hospital downtown this evening hosted a forum on human trafficking.
It discussed the severity of the issue and what's being done to help victims. 27 First News reporter Brian Ivy was there. New at 10. Brian joins us live in the studio.
Thanks, guys. Ohio actually ranks near the top with human trafficking victims. In 2015, there were 203 possible victims in the state. Tonight's event was a great discussion on how that number can be reduced. Mercy Health Youngstown hosted the event called Human Trafficking in Our Community. How do we respond? It took place at St. Elizabeth Hospital downtown. Local law enforcement, human rights, and medical professionals want to get the word out about this issue and how serious it is.
This is a start. This is an opportunity for us to talk with our partners throughout the Mahoning Valley.
Human trafficking is the act of forcing a person to slavery or sexual exploitation. There's a large correlation with heroin and trafficking.
I have not at this point, during the human trafficking investigations, found a girl that was not on heroin. Not yet.
The pimps and johns are using heroin as a way to control their victims. 80% of victims reach out through the healthcare system. Mercy Health wants to help.
Where we can share our ideas and the response that we have to this crisis. It was an opportunity for us to hear other perspectives, to hear some really heart-touching stories.
The victims are afraid of getting in trouble and are under control, so it's hard to identify them.
We have several women who are dedicated to educating young men, boys, older men on what they can do in terms of how they can treat women.
Tonight's event hopes to mobilize resources and create specific plans to identify victims and offenders alike. It all starts with the different departments and organizations working together. Also, public involvement is needed.
If you see something, say something. We all know when things just don't look right.
And these different organizations are trying to get one step ahead of the Johns and Pimps. They want all victims to know that they will be safe if they get out and seek help. Live in the studio, I'm Brian Ivy, 27 First News at 10.